Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Alex has not been on my channel for so long. I think I worked out it was like February.
Really?
I mean, I've barely been on my channel this year, but you've really not been on my channel this year, so he's back.
I was going to say I've done well.
You've done well?
I've done well to avoid it.
We are back with our annual Christmas gift giving video for 2021. We basically get each other presents, we open them on camera, it's a fun time. We're a little bit late this year, we normally do it before Christmas, but a couple of them took a little bit longer to arrive than I expected, so we're doing it after Christmas. Hopefully that's okay. Are you excited? I'm actually excited. Sorry, are you excited?
Very.
Normally we do more like jokey presents, don't we? Like jokey, rude presents. But this year we've kind of gone for like actual presents. Well, that's what I suggested we do.
It seemed a little wasteful.
Yeah, the joke ones are a bit wasteful.
Let's go.
Should we get on with it? Oh, we did do some little like categories though to make it a little bit easier because we were both stuck. We were like, what do we even get each other this year? So we did some little categories. What have we got? Accessory, book, clothing, homeware, and food/drink.
What should we go for first?
Okay.
In that order?
Yeah, let's start with an accessory. So I feel like that's quite vague. You can kind of do many different things. Like, many things are an accessory. So they're both small.
They're both small.
I feel like this is your least exciting present. Like, you're going to be like, what?
There you go.
It's a ring.
Yeah, but I'm going to need you to chill out on that. That's not what's going on here.
Don't get excited, guys. I didn't even think of that.
Everyone calm down.
Everyone calm down. I didn't even think of that, Ali. I didn't think of that.
No, but I
you know what
thought
they're thinking.
Maybe someone would.
Do you want to go first? It looks like you are.
Well, I'm not waiting anymore.
Okay, this is your accessory.
It's a bag. This bag has something. What?
I said you're not going to like this.
Ah.
There's a story.
It's a chain.
It's a chain. Okay, so...
Thanks.
For Alex's, like... Oh, yeah, I also got Alex another present this year. I basically got him a whole new wardrobe. Not an actual wardrobe, but, like, the contents of one. And in that selection, I sort of got a few jewellery bits. And I knew that it was a bit risky. He doesn't really wear jewellery. But when he was trying on the outfits, you had the little chain on, didn't you? And you were like...
I did
Ooh.
Indulge your desire to see me in a chain.
And he was like, oh, I actually kind of like it. But the actual chain was just not a great one, was it? So I thought I'd get you a nicer chain, although you're having more fun running it around your finger.
I like that you can wrap it around things. That's very tight. My God.
Wait, I can't... Are you okay? Maybe you could have done with like a longer one. I didn't realise. But there you go. That is much nicer than the other one, isn't it? And then the ring.
That is it, as chains go.
I bet they can't even see these. It's like
It's like a circle.
It's basically like a sort of... It looks like it's got like a worn effect. And it's got a load of Roman numerals around it. You ready?
No. Yeah. No. Try that one. There
Yay!
we go.
Wait.
Fits on that one.
We just got married. So the only one it fits on is his wedding finger. That's fine. There ain't anything else on there.
And the little one. Thank you very much, by the way.
You're welcome. Okay, my turn. Time to open my ring. Sorry,
Yeah.
I spoiled it, but like it's pretty obvious, isn't it? Am I seeing moons? Let me get it out.
Yeah, it's like... I don't know if it's just
moons and
moons.
stars on it.
There you go.
Oh my God, wait.
It's got two parts, so it spins. It's got like a bearing around it.
I've seen this. Did you get an Instagram advert of this? Because I feel like I've got an Instagram ad and I've screenshotted it and it's on my phone. An anxiety ring
I think
thing.
I might have done.
And you got it for me.
Yeah, so it spins and
Okay.
something to play with.
Yeah, so it's basically a little ring and you can spin it. So it just kind of like twizzles around. And it's supposed to be, yeah, I think they're supposed to be good for anxiety because you can sort of like fiddle with it. I mean, I need it at the moment. I'm in an anxious mess. So I'm just going to twizzle this all day and hopefully I'll be calm. It's really cute though. Like, it's functional and cute. Like, it goes really nice with my little set. And it fits on my middle finger. Like, all of these don't fit on my middle finger.
Look at that.
This is great. You won on the accessory gift. I love this.
I didn't realise this was a competition. I would have tried much harder.
It's not. Next up, we're going to do a book. So we both had to get each other
A
book of any kind. Again, it could be anything. You ready? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. There's a book for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to guess that this one's a book. Guess yours.
Is it a book?
I hate us. Okay, yeah, you go first again. Go on, off you go. Wait.
We're just terrible.
Wait, I have to do a quick story of this one.
Okay.
So I got this for Alex, and then yesterday, when it was Christmas Day, I opened my present from my brother, and my brother got me the exact same thing that I've got Alex. So we have two of these.
Right.
But that's not a bad thing, because it means we can battle each other.
Where's Moon?
It's Where's Wally, but Where's Moon?
Search and find, but what is going on here? There's a card in here.
There's a card in there as well, because I thought this would be from Moon and me.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Yeah. Meow, 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 meow. This is from Moon and me, so like, you know, he got you this as well. You want to open the card? The card's got him on it as well.
To Daddy. Happy Christmas.
I'm not gonna lie. When I wrote a card to you, to Daddy, my insides were like, but I was like, it's from Moon, you know? You're his...
Yeah, but and you apparently.
It's also a little personalised card of Moon's face. But yeah, it's Moon, Where's Wally?
That's
so
cool.
They've basically printed this, and on each page, there's a moon hidden that you've got to find. So
that is very cool. That's a great gift.
Yeah, you customise it, you put the pet's name, and then they've got a load of these pictures of different cats and dogs, and you pick the one that looks like yours. Do you see what I mean? It's like a Where's Wally book, but Moon is in there somewhere, like a tiny little moon. I love it.
Yeah,
I think it's great.
That's cool. It's you. Alright, so this one I'm kind of like,
You don't like it?
I think your one to me is better than my one to you.
Aww.
I think you'll still like it,
Okay.
but I don't know. The thing is, you don't really read.
Oh yeah, I don't. This is tricky for me.
So
not that yours is a reading book, but I don't read.
No, to be fair.
Also, I forgot to say, how cute is this paper? We shared the same paper. We're all using this. We're all using the same. All two of us.
All of us.
But how cute is this one? It's beautiful. I bet they can't even see, but it's all like pastel-y with loads of moons and stars on it. Ooh. Earth and Space Photographs from the Archives of NASA. That's so cool. So it's like space photographs. I mean, we know I love spacey things.
Yes.
This is a cool book. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful pictures. Spacey stuff is beautiful and it smells great. So I would say, all in all, this is a great book. I'll have fun flicking through that. I mean, I like looking at pretty things and I like space. So yeah, I feel like we can look through that together. That would be nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right, what's next?
Next up, we'll do a clothing item.
There you go.
You go first. Wait, I have a story. Everything comes with a story.
Okay.
This, especially for people who have watched these videos for years, we've been doing these videos for years. There was one many Christmases ago where there was one item that didn't turn up and I never ended up getting it. Now you may open.
It finally turned up.
It finally turned up 3 years later. No, I saw it again and I was like, this time I'm going to try and actually get it for you. Can you remember what I'm talking about?
No.
Okay.
I remember yesterday.
True. We're talking like 2017. Do you remember?
I don't remember.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Do you remember? 2017 viewers, do you remember? It wasn't a very significant part of the video. I think I just showed a photo of it, but people might remember.
I mean, it's cool.
Do you like it?
I like it.
It's a Christmas jumper, which I know is a bit late now.
Christmas has come and gone.
You can wear it next year. It's a Christmas jumper, but it's got gingerbread men on it, which are like Star Wars characters.
I thought it smelled like gingerbread for a second then.
It's just, yeah, it's a scented jumper.
It smells kind of nice, but...
Let me smell it.
Maybe not. Kind of.
What the hell? It smells like gingerbread.
Kind of gingerbread, right?
Are they scratch and sniff? Scratching Yoda.
That would be so good.
Yay! Different Star Wars characters as gingerbread men. I feel like that's a very Alex Christmas jumper.
Well, I do like Star Wars,
Yeah.
and I do like jumpers, and I do like gingerbread.
Oh! 3 out of 3!
Nailed it.
Do you have a story behind this one?
It relates to something you've been doing recently. It's your very own
Crippling anxiety?
panic jumper.
So it's something I've been... Wait, what did you say? Something I've been doing?
Something you've been doing, something
Okay.
you've been playing recently.
Oh, okay. Well, now I know. Okay, we're back. I just had to get Moon out of the room because he was playing in the wrapping paper and it was really noisy. Now he's probably going to meow because he's not in the room, so he's going to be just as noisy. But it's fine. We're going to continue. So it's basically a hoodie and it's got a little red heart on it and it says, "You are filled with determination," which for some people they'll be like, what does that even mean? But it's basically an Undertale reference. Like, it's quite a big part of it. I mean, you're probably like, what does that mean? Because you never played it. But I know what that means. And yeah, I basically discovered that game. When was it? Last month? Yeah, last month. And I loved it so much. Like, I'd never played it before. I feel like I was so late on it, but I played it, not really expecting much. And it's now like probably one of my top 3 favourite games I've ever played. I like it. Thanks, Ali. As soon as you said it's a game you've been playing, I was like, oh, well, yeah, now I know. It's going to be an
obvious.
Undertale hoodie.
What's next?
Let's do let's do a homeware item next. Da da da. Oh, it's the tube. I've been eyeing up the tube thinking, what is this? Oh, I bet it's a poster.
Might be.
I keep spoiling them by guessing. Okay, pretend I didn't say that. There you go.
Thank you.
Mine there is.
Sorry.
I wonder if it'll be obvious what it is straight away. I might need to explain.
Some black paper. A wooden block with my initials in it. More blocks of wood.
Do you have any idea what it is? You don't, do you?
Well, it goes on the wall.
Yeah.
You've got some rule plugs there. Well, it looks like a hanger.
A hanger for what?
It's not dissimilar to a guitar hanger.
So it's a little wooden guitar hook hanger thing. So you've got the piece of wood, these bits go on here, and then it slots on there. So you can put one of your favourite guitars up on your wall. And it's engraved with Alex's initials. So you've got AW. I just thought it'd be quite cute. You can put one of your guitars on the wall, and it's wooden. You love your wood. Are you admiring the wood? Yeah. Is it up to your standard?
Do you know what? It's actually quite nice. You've got some nice rays through it, some nice bits of grain. It's nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I thought you'd like that.
It's cut nicely. Just slight I'm going to shut up. Your turn. Might be a little bit more interesting for people to listen to. I'm pretty pleased with this one.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's a poster.
It is a poster.
I was right.
You guessed correctly.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's huge!
Yeah, that's the arrangement of the stars.
The arrangement of the stars on the date that we got together. So it says Alton, UK, 11th of February, 2011. That was a long time ago. There we go. Can you guys see? It's got the constellations and the stars on it that were at that exact time and that exact place. That's so cool. And I tell you what, this will look nice because we're currently redoing like our bedroom and our ensuite. Our ensuite is currently completely bashed out. And we're also doing our bedroom, and we're going to kind of go for like a navy. We're going to do like navy and gold, aren't we?
Yeah.
In our bedroom. That'll look nice in our bedroom. It's huge. Look at now.
It's quite
huge.
large.
I think that's so nice. It's really nice quality as well. I love that. Yeah, that's a good one. The finale. We're ending on a food/drink item.
Okay.
Yours is in 2 parts. You can already see one part of it. I think it kind of gives it away.
Yours is in 2 parts.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to go first?
I'll go first.
Open this first, and then I'll give you the other bit that's not even wrapped up. I don't know if you'll use it, but it looks kind of cool to have it in your room.
A wood whiskey barrel.
You're going to use it?
That's cool. Yeah, get whiskey right out of the barrel.
Well,
Not the barrel it was made in, but yeah, it's still a thing, isn't it? It's a cool thing to do.
Because I feel like this is the year Alex started drinking whiskey. I could either get you a nice whiskey glass, that's what I was thinking, and I saw that and I was like, let's go one up and get you a freaking whiskey barrel. But not like a big one. They can see the size.
Just open it.
It's not like a big one, it's like a little mini one, so you can pop it on your desk or whatever. And yeah, it's made of wood.
Or working on music and just have a constant supply of whiskey.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
And then obviously to go with it, your favourite whiskey. But yeah, should we get it out? Is it a fancy bottle?
Bong! That's it.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a barrel.
It's a little, I feel like Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a lovely barrel
That's
that
cool.
is. And then you got the little squirter. Oh, there you go.
No,
Where's the squirter?
It's in there, hang on.
This is what you'll be like.
Time for yours. Alright.
The final present, and I must say, it looks like the biggest one.
It is the biggest one.
It's rather large. I'm excited.
I think really, I've won already on that basis.
Really? I got you a barrel.
It's the biggest one.
Okay. Are you looking for it? It's right.
I'm not looking
It's
for
right
it.
there.
It was under the jumper, alright? No, I think the only way that makes sense is this one first.
I'm so intrigued. I would not have thought this was the food and drink one.
It is.
I'm so surprised.
I think come summertime you're going to really appreciate this.
Ice cream maker.
Well, open it up.
No.
Yeah. That's going to be good in the summer.
This is great. Oh my goodness. Do you know how much I crave? Well, you do. I
do.
crave a slush puppy. I haven't had one since I was little. No. I honestly don't think I've had a slush puppy since I was like a child.
No.
And it's one of those tastes that I always crave in the summer. I'm like, oh, I just want a slush puppy.
So yeah, now we can make... Oh yeah, sorry.
That's so exciting.
Let's see.
Is this a pre-made one?
No, but it goes with that
Way! I got my slush puppy juice, blue slushy, which is blue raspberry, and the red one, which is red cherry. Oh, look at that colour. I hate to think what's inside this.
Me too.
It's probably not going to be good for me, but I don't
Best
care.
not to, I think.
I'm just going to have them every now and again in the summer. I thought it was an ice cream maker. I didn't guess it right. I'm so excited to use
It
that.
makes cold.
This is like a dream come true.
Well, you're very welcome. That's what I do.
Make dreams come
Make
true.
dreams come true.
So those are all of our presents that we got each other this year. I think this was a good one. Like doing proper presents was actually quite fun because they're like proper presents. I know they're maybe not as like funny, blah, 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 but they're actually all things that we wanted or are going to use and we'll find use out of. So
Definitely.
I think this was a good idea and I think we did great. We are great gift givers, aren't we?
Well, I'm good at giving gifts to you.
Thanks for all my presents.
Thank you for mine.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this year's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you want us to keep doing it every single year, let us know. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and I will see you very, very soon. You're going to see them soon?
Probably in like a year.
Probably this time next year. See you, Alex. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.